I see this all the time in my practice. Women have symptoms of low stomach acid levels. That can look like bloating or belching or having excess gas right after you eat, especially like upper abdominal type of bloating and discomfort up in where your stomach area would be. You can also have changes in your bowel function like diarrhea, constipation, indigestion. You can have fatigue. You can have rectal itching from low stomach acid levels. You can get yeast overproduction. Ladies, you can have hair loss from low stomach acid. You can get iron and B12 deficiency. It can feel like heartburn. We're going to talk about that. You can develop food sensitivities. You can have weak, peeling, cracked fingernails, dry skin, dandruff, acne, all of this because of low stomach acid. So what the heck is stomach acid, right? So our stomach has cells that produce hydrochloric acid. That is what helps break down our foods as well as our digestive enzymes like protease, things like that. And so having stomach acid is super important to be able to digest your foods. It also keeps bad bacteria from overgrowing and getting into your intestines where you don't want it to be. And so hydrochloric acid is super important. And a lot of us aren't making enough of it.